Okay. Welcome back, everybody, and a very warm good morning once again to everyone. So, as we all know, we are gathered here to find and crown the champion of the RBI90 quiz for the state of Manipur. So, I would like to share a very good news before we start. This event is being live streamed right now on YouTube in the channel of KhutSem Live. And also, we are sharing it internally in our RBI group in our WebEx. So, to begin with our function, we would like to have the felicitation program at the first. And I would like to invite on stage Sri and Sridhar, GM OIC RBI Imphal, and Sri CM Samuel, DGM RBI Imphal. Please, sir. Firstly, I would like to invite on the stage Madam Anna Arambam, who is the Director of Institutional Finance Manipur. Madam, please come on the stage. A big round of applause for Anna, Madam. Thank you, Madam. Next, I would like to invite on the stage Sri Chinthang Khomba Meitei, who is the Deputy Director of Institutional Finance, Government of Manipur. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to invite Sri Partha Mandal, who is the General Manager and OIC of NABARD Imphal. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome on the stage Sri T. Ranjit, who is the Principal of DM College of Arts. If the students of DM College of Arts are here, please give a big round of applause for your principal. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to call upon the stage Dr. N. Surbala Devi, who is the Principal of College of Nursing, Medical Directorate. Thank you so much, Madam. Thagajiri, Madam Bu. Akoina invitation tawjaru Madam na yam harau na tum laksage num haibi rakhibani. Mathangda, next I would like to call upon the stage Srimati Ngangkham Nirmala, who is the Chief Manager, PNB Imphal. Thank you, madam. Next, I would like to call upon the stage Sri Kangba, who is the Chief Manager of SBI and SLBC Convener Bank, Manipur. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Sridhar, sir. Thank you, Samuel, sir. Next, we'll have the lighting of the lamp. And for that, I would like to firstly invite Madam Anna Rambam on the stage to kindly do the honors. Okay. Along with Anna, Madam, I would like to call upon Sri Chintangkhoma Maite, Sri Partha Mandal, Sri T. Ranjit, Dr. N. Shobila Devi. On the stage, please. Yeah. I will request everybody to please light one wick each. Thank you so much to all our dignitaries. I request everybody to please have the seat. Next, I would like to request Sri N. Sridhar, who is the GMOIC of RBI Imphal, to give the inaugural address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to extend my warm regards and welcome to Srimati Anna Arambam, Director, Directorate of Institutional Finance, Government of Manipur, Sri G. Dharmadas Sharma, Deputy Director, Department of Arts, Sri Partha Mantal, General Manager, OIC, NABARD, Imphal, Sri T. Ranjit, Principal, DM College of Arts, Sri N. Surbala Devi, Principal, College of Nursing, Srimati N. Nirmala, Chief Manager, PNB, Imphal, Sri Kangba, Chief Manager, SBI, SLBC Convener Bank, Sri Sunju Bajaspati Mayum, Secretary, MSFDS, and officials from banks and other institutions, and to all my dear friends and teachers who have gathered here today from various colleges and institutes of Manipur, media representatives, and viewers of various channels. I thank you all for taking time out from your busy schedule to attend this state-level RBI90 Quiz as we look forward to crowning the champion of the state-level round of RBI90 Quiz for the state of Manipur. Despite the challenges and uncertainties due to the ongoing situation in Manipur at that time, my team from RBI Imphal have made all-out efforts to reach out to more than 100 colleges in the state. We are sincerely delighted with the response received from each and every one of you. From scores of teams who participated in the online round, we are left with the cream of the cream, that is 45 teams from 23 colleges, out of which the final 6 teams will compete on the stage very shortly. As some of you may be aware, the Reserve Bank of India, set up under the RBI Act 1934, commenced its operations on April 1st, 1935. So, RBI is commemorating the 90th year of its establishment during the current year. As part of series of events being held throughout the year to mark this milestone, RBI has launched the RBI90 Quiz. It is a nationwide general knowledge-based quiz competition aimed at undergraduate students. The RBI90 Quiz is a team-based contest being held in multiple stages. A 3-day online phase was conducted from September 19 to 21st, 2024. Based on the performance in the online phase, teams were selected for participation in the state-level round. As you are aware, today's winner will win a cash prize of 2 lakhs rupees. The runner-up will win a prize of rupees 1.5 lakhs and the second runner-up will win cash prize of rupees 1 lakh. Today's winner will compete in the zonal round of the competition to be held at Guwahati on November 29, 2024, and the winner of the zonal round will be eligible for national round of the competition to be held at Mumbai in December 2024. The national winner will win a cash prizes of rupees 10 lakhs. This event is being conducted with support and guidance from the Financial Inclusion and Development Department of Reserve Bank of India. One of the primary objectives of the department is to shape policies and programs pertaining to financial inclusion and generate financial awareness among the masses. Let me delve briefly on the various aspects of financial inclusion. Financial inclusion refers to efforts to make financial products and services accessible and affordable to all. Financial inclusion strives to aid people to participate in the financial sector and using these services to improve their economic lives. In the process, it provides opportunities, particularly for marginalized and low-income individuals, to access formal financial services such as savings, credit, insurance, and pension. By empowering them with the tools to manage their finances and invest in income-generating activities, financial inclusion can help lift people out of poverty and reduce economic disparities. Thus, when more people have access to financial services, they can participate actively in the economy. Increased financial inclusion leads to higher levels of savings, investment, and entrepreneurship, fostering economic growth and stability in both local as well as national economy. RBI also tries to address another critical concern, that is the gaps affecting demand side which may occur due to lack of understanding of products and services offered by various financial service providers. Financial awareness or literacy for the masses is very close to the RBI, since this enables people to make informed decisions, budget effectively, and understand the benefits of using formal financial services instead of relying on informal or potentially exploitative alternatives like money lenders and fraudsters. RBI also contributes to the economic development and nation building of the country by managing various areas such as currency management, forex management, digital payments, regulation and supervision of regulated entities such as banks, NBFCs, and implementing banking ombudsman scheme, inflation management, acting as banker to the government, etc., to name a few. I hope that this brief narration has lit the flame of curiosity in all of you students about financial inclusion, literacy, and the functions of RBI. This quiz may be considered as a small step in evoking your interest in what central banks like RBI do. At RBI, we shall leave no stone unturned to carry out outreach and financial literacy programs towards a financially inclusive society in the state of Manipur. To all my dear young friends who will be competing today, please remember that although we may be officially declaring only one team as the winner to participate in the zonal round of the quiz competition, all of you are already winners for having shown the interest to register for this competition and making it to this day to participate here. I also thank all the teachers and lecturers for guiding and preparing them for this event. My earnest request to everybody in the audience, please participate actively and enthusiastically in the quiz and take away the beautiful audience prizes as which we have arranged for you. Lastly, my best wishes to all the participating teams from the various colleges and institutes. May the forces of quizzing and gods be in your favor today to bring glory and fame to you, your college, and to the beautiful state of Manipur. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Rita sir. That was indeed very enlightening, right? Without much further ado, I would like to hand over the mic to our quiz master, who is going to announce the top 6 teams and path your way to glory today. Sir, please.
All right, let's do this. A very warm welcome to the Manipur State Finals of the RBI90Quiz. How are all of you doing? A little louder, please. Lovely. All right. I must point out one of the closest fought elimination rounds in any of the states has been here. The highest was 25. The cutoff was 15 with 4 star-marked questions, if I remember correctly. Sadly, a lot of good teams crashed out because of the one college rule, but that is what life is here at the RBI90Quiz. And as Sir rightly pointed out, it is the 90th anniversary of the Reserve Bank of India. If you think about it, it's a celebration, it's a birthday celebration, but it's so much more. It's a celebration of knowledge. It is something that RBI does in style. We celebrate birthdays just generally. RBI does a series of quizzes, gives the youth of India a platform to showcase their skills. And that is the Reserve Bank for you. Without further ado, let me quickly bring on the 6 teams who are going to fight it out in the finals. In no particular order of the scores, but in the seating sequence on stage. If I call out your name, please join me. From the College of Agriculture, Central Agricultural University of Imphal, Ronak Sharma, Ishita Saxena, walking up on stage. And we have done something very special for the Manipur State Finals. We have moved out the concept of A, B, C, D, E, F, G as team markers. You will be team Sangai, right there. For the benefit of the quiz, that is team number 1, right, but they're team Sangai. Fair enough? On table 2, team Kangla, qualifying from Shija Academy of Health Services, Anupam Sneh Devi and Minaka Thangam. Where are the 2 of you? Yes. You'll be team Kangla. They're walking up on stage. While they are, I will announce a 3rd team from Triple IT Manipur, Amresh Kumar and Anup Maurya. That's team number 3. That is team Barak. Team 4, team Nongjin from Manipur University, MM Shahid and Mohammad Nawaz. Where are the 2 of you? Yes, there they are, and they will join us at table 4. Team number 5 is a team of Preshi Shobham and Jafsheer Ahmed from Dhanamman Juri College of Arts, DMCA. Yeah, okay. Just struggling with the crowd. And the final team, Team Loktak, is team from Lilong Harobi College, MD Shakil and Sahid. Mohammad Shakil and Mohammad Sahid is what I'm guessing. Yeah. Dhanraji, is the order correct? Yeah, alright. Teams will very quickly, once they settle in, will very quickly jump into a very quick round of introductions, followed by a buzzer test, and then we jump straight into the state finals. Fair enough? Alright. We have Team Sangai, Team Kangla, Team Barak, Team Nongjin, Team Shirui, and Team Loktak who will be fighting it out. Can we hear it for them once? Alright. Team Sangai, can you please introduce yourselves and introduce yourselves with your name of the college as well, followed by which you can press your buzzer, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ishita Saxena. I am from College of Agriculture, Imphal.
I am Ronak Sharma and I am also from College of Agriculture, Imphal.
Perfect. And can we have a buzzer test? Pull that entire stack closer to you. That's just so the buzzers are visible to the audience as well. Perfect. Audiences, can you see the light? Perfect. And people from their college, give me a cheer. Alright. That's your crowd. Cheer them on loudly while the quiz is going on. Yes? Team 2, Team Kangla, your turn.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Sneha from Sija Academy of Health Sciences. A very good morning to everyone present here. My name is Memkat Hamdun and I'm from Sija Academy of Health Sciences.
Alright. Can we hear it for them? Where is their cheering squad? Yeah. Only a couple of you from your college? That's okay. And your person. Yes. Perfect. Team 3, Team Barak.
Hello. Good afternoon to everyone. We are Amresh Kumar and Anup Maurya from 5th semester of Triple IT Manipur. We are from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Thank you.
You seem to have a bit of crowd support here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. If they win, make sure you get a cut out of the prize money. It's a huge prize money. Alright. Team 4, Team Nongjin.
Good evening, guys. We are from Manipur University, Department of Teacher Education. My name is M.M. Said and he is Mohammed Nawaz.
Alright. And where's your cheering squad? I couldn't hear any of them. Are they here? That's fine. Audiences, make sure that you cheer for them as well. And we'll cheer for you from ourselves. Yes. And your buzzer, please. Works fine. Team number 5.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tafsir Ahmed from DM College of Arts. And to everyone from our college, good afternoon.
Good morning to all. I'm Prissy Soibam of DM College of Arts. Thank you.
And can you please press your buzzer? Alright, that works fine. And finally, Team Loktak. Take it away.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sakil Rezvi from Lilong Harvey College with my friend Sahib.
Okay. And can we press the buzzer once? Yes. Perfect. That's good. I'll just give the sheets backstage for their scoring usage and then I'll come back. Yeah. Hold on for 2 seconds, after which we start with the state finals. All right. We are sorting things out on the scoring end, but that's on the scoring end. Before that, we need questions to start the scoring on. All right. Team A, first question of the first round to you. Let me tell you what the rounds are firstly. 5 rounds of quizzing to be done. 2 rounds in passing, one of them gamified, 2 on the buzzer. That is the general terrain. For the first round, from the rich culture and heritage of our country, all the questions in round 1 are India inspired on your screen. 6 questions in this round, 1 direct to each team. The value of a correct answer is a plus 90. No negatives if you get it wrong. And whether it's a direct or a pass, it is a plus 90. Fair enough? About 10-15 seconds is what you get for the direct attempt. After that, every pass is 5 seconds. Fair enough? Alright. Good? Everybody good to go? No buzzers in this round. Question number 1 to Team Sangai. Here it is on your screen. This building in India was designed by Iranian architect Fariboz Sabah. It is one of the very few centers in the world dedicated to the worship and the prayer places of the Baha'i sect. And this is the view from the inside of which iconic building in India? Team A.
Lotus Temple.
Is the correct answer. 90 points to them. Lotus Temple in Delhi. One of the very few sites of the Baha'i faith of sorts. Team Sangai plus 90 on the first question. Question number 2, Team Kangla on your screen. This is Narayan Karthike and Karun Chandok. These are the 2 Indians who have represented India in Formula 1, the pinnacle of motorsport. You need to tell me for 90 points, which state do they hail from? Their names are Narayan Karthikeya and Karun Chandok. Team Kangla, this is a direct question to you. Audiences will hold off on the discussion until the teams are done, and then the question comes to you if they fail to answer. Yes, Team Kangla. Do we have an answer for us? You're saying Jharkhand. Teams, I'd request you, whenever you're giving us an answer, please speak into your mics. We are live on the WebEx and on YouTube as well, right? That's fine. Just take care in the next questions onwards. So they said Jharkhand. Team 3, Team Barak.
Telangana.
You're saying Telangana. Not quite. Team 4, Team Nongin.
Tamil Nadu.
Is the correct answer. This is Tamil Nadu. 90 points to that. Team Nongin, Team 4, you get 90. And teams, I request you to also keep your own scores. That's a very good quizzing practice that you're doing. Great. Good going. Question number 3 to Team Barak on your screen. Very quickly. Right. So these are performers of the Manganiyar class. Right. They hail from Western India and they were performing at the Delhi Film Festival. So while they were performing, they created this beautiful set aimed to create an appeal of a magical box containing 36 red curtained cubicles arranged in 4 horizontal rows, one on top of the other. What very iconic building from the region that they hail from was the inspiration for this set? Team Barak, you have about 10-15 seconds.
Hawa Mahal.
Plus 90 to you on that. Hawa Mahal, the audience confirmed it before I could. Very well done. 90 points to Team Barak. Team 3. Team 4, you've already scored a 90. You have a chance to score 90 more. On question 4, here it is. These are specific medals. They were awarded to the Indian Armed Forces and to the Armed Forces of India and also won another country. For what specific occasion? At what specific occasion were these medals awarded to the armed forces for their service? And I said they were awarded to India and at least one other nation. What iconic event was this? Sort of a turning point for our country's history. Team Nongin.
Paramveer Chakra.
You're saying Paramveer Chakra as an event. Not quite, we'll have to pass you. Team Shirui. I'm looking for a certain event where these medals were awarded to the members of the armed forces of India and one other country. As I said, it was one of the major events of our country's history, considered to be a turning point also. Go ahead, Team Shirui.
Republic Day.
Republic Day, not quite. Team Loktak on table 6.
Kargil War.
Not the Kargil War. Passing across to Sangai. All right.
Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti. Not quite. Your smile almost gave it away. Right. I was convinced to give you that, but sorry, not the correct answer. Team B.
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Which year?
94.
Go ahead. Which year? I'll put you out of your misery. This is indeed the Independence Day. 90 points to you on that. They were technically correct. This is the first Independence Day. They are the Independence Medals. They were awarded to the members of the Armed Forces of India as well as Pakistan, because Pakistan also had their independence just a day prior. These are Independence Medals that were awarded at the Independence Day. Plus 90 to Team Kangla. Very good answer. On a half guess, but that's a very good hedge since there were no negatives. Very well done. Question number 5 to Team Shirui. On your screen, here it is. A very interesting one. Showed here is the cover of a book called The Light of India, examining artworks on what utilitarian entity, something that we commonly see in our day-to-day lives, readily available in our homes as well. Look at the image carefully and tell me the design of this cover rather is inspired by what utilitarian entity?
Matchbox.
Matchboxes as a design inspiration. 90 points to them. Lovely answer, Team Shirui. Very well done. And there's a reason why the book is called The Light of India. Right. Team Shirui, good answer to give. Question number 6, the final one in this round, to Team Loktak. On your screen now. Team Loktak, what dance form is this? Named after the female avatar of Lord Vishnu. 15 seconds.
Bharatnatyam.
Bharatnatyam, not quite. We'll pass you across to Team Sangai.
Odissi.
Odissi is not quite. Team B, Kangla. Kathak. Passing across to Team Barak.
Kuchipudi.
Not Kuchipudi as well. Hold your horses, audiences. Yeah. We're still yet to reach the correct answer. They were ready with the applause. Team 4, Nongin.
Satriya.
Satriya or Hotriya, not quite. Team Shirui.
Sir, pass.
What dance is that? I'm kidding. They're passing to the audience. Yes, I saw your hand go up first. It is Mohiniyattam. Very well done. Can she have an audience prize for her? What is your name, ma'am? From their college? Alright. You need to take some pointers from your friends. This is indeed Mohiniyattam, named after the Mohini avatar of Lord Vishnu. Very well answered from the audience. That brings us to the end of the first round. Do we have the scores? Yeah, we'll just wait for them to calculate the scores. Till then, we'll have the slide and I'll ask you a couple of audience questions. Alright. Since there are a lot of youngsters here, I'm going to ask you something from this generation. Okay. What massively popular app has a mascot called Ghostface Chilla? It's a wordplay on a rapper called Ghostface Killa. This is a Ghostface Chilla, as in a chiller. A ghost mask. Yes, it is Snapchat. Very well done. Can we have an audience prize for him? Yeah, so just remain standing for a couple of seconds more. Yeah. Oh, all right. Very efficiently, the scores are here. No, that's not correct. That's not correct. Yeah. Just a second. We'll make those edits. Don't worry. Team A. Yeah. They're doing it. There was a problem editing that PPT, which is why we took that halt. Yeah. Till then, I'll ask you another audience question. In whose honor does India celebrate the National Sports Day? That's one of my favorite questions to ask in the audience. Right at the back. Yes, sir. This is Major Dhyan Chand. Do you know when is it celebrated? We've given you a chance. Yes. August 29th is absolutely correct. Yeah. Can we hear a louder applause for them? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Team A, you're on 90 points. Team B, you're on 90 points because you got the independence answer. Team C, you're on 90 points as well. Team D, you're on 90 points as well. Team E, you're on 90 points because of that, because of the last answer that you gave. And Team F, you're on 0. Yeah, so the score was correct. Yeah, the score was correct. No, they missed out on that, sir. They missed out on that. Yeah. As much as I wanted them to, sadly, they haven't gotten a bonus. They did miss out on that, which is why I asked them to keep a note of their scores as well. The scoreboard is correct. All 5 teams on 90. It was a very tough fought elimination. It is turning out to be an extremely well fought finals as well. For now, let's go to the second round and find out if you're third time lucky on your screen. Each team gets 1 multiple choice question, 3 attempts permitted to the direct team. The scoring, if you get it right on the first attempt, you get a plus 90. On the second, you get a plus 60. On the third, you get a plus 30. The questions do not pass. No buzzers in this round as well. Alright. So only one team plays a question at one point. Let's start this round with Team Loktak and we go anti-clockwise. Team Loktak, here is your question. Located in Ontario, Canada, this is the flame of hope, an eternal flame that honors the discovery of a certain control mechanism by a Canadian and will only be extinguished when the people suffering from this disease find a permanent cure, or there is a permanent cure to the particular disease. Out of the 4 of these, which disease is it? Is it COVID, depression, diabetes or scurvy? Team Loktak.
Diabetes.
90 points to you on that lovely answer. This is indeed diabetes. And okay, for the audience, wait, hold on. We'll not go to the audience just as of yet. It's just the beginning of the round. Loktak, 90 points secured. The scores are level yet again. Right. So it's 90 apiece to all the teams. Team Shirui, your question next. This is one of the sculptures in Dusseldorf dedicated to what recreational performance? Look at the image carefully and tell me if it represents ballet, cartwheel, human pyramid or fartlek. Team Shirui, you have 3 attempts.
Human pyramid.
You say human pyramid? Not quite. I'll have to ask you to take a second guess. Again, look at the image very carefully.
Cartwheel.
Is the correct answer. 60 points to them. This is indeed the cartwheel. If you look at the image, there is a stick figure and it sort of is shown rotating in a way. So it's a cartwheel of sorts. Team Shiroi 60 points on that question. Team Nongim, third question to you. These are two Nobel laureates who won the Nobel in 1975. Leonid Kantorovich and Tjalling Koopmans. Interestingly, their Nobel medals were mixed up amongst each other and it could only be sorted out after a 4-year delay because of what inconvenience or what conflict? The Cuban Missile Crisis, the Cold War, the Berlin War, or the Second World War. Team Nongin, your 3 attempts.
Cuban Missile Crisis.
The Cuban Missile Crisis, not quite. You'll have to take a second attempt.
Cold War.
Is the correct answer. 60 points as well. To them, teams getting the question on the second attempt more so. Team Nongin, great answer. 60 points to you. Let's move to my right. Team Barak, question number 4 on your screen. Here it is. As per tradition, the recipients of what award are usually showered with paper airplanes thrown by the audience during their acceptance speech? Is it the Raspberry Awards, the Darwin Awards, the Ig Nobel Awards, or the Webby Awards?
Darwin Awards. Darwin Awards.
The Darwin Awards, not quite, and a second attempt.
Webby.
Not the Webby as well. And for plus 30.
Raspberry.
Raspberry, also not the one. Audiences, what do you think is the answer? Go ahead, shout it out. This is Ig Nobel Awards, right? These are the Ig Nobel Awards. Hard luck, Team Barak. You have 90 points in your kitty. Couldn't score for this particular question, but it's a long quiz. Alright. Team Kangla, next question, question number 5 to you. This is Disha, the virtual assistant from which of the following services? Is it Air India, Incredible India, Income Tax Department, or the IRCTC? Team Kangla, you have 3 attempts. Plus 90 on that one. Very well done. Where is your college crowd? Oh, there's 2 people. 2 people right there. Yeah. But you can still shout, still cheer for your teams. Yeah. Remember, they're going to be winning an upwards of at least 1 lakh rupees. Right. If not more. So, yeah. For all the 6 teams, your friends are going to be very rich very soon. This is exactly when you need to cheer for them. Right. Okay. 90 points to Team Kangla. Team Sangai. Final question of this round to you. No pressure. Alright? Yeah. This is the MGC initiative by 6 member countries, namely India, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam, to develop further about the areas of tourism, culture, education, transportation, and some such. The organization takes its name from 2 of the largest rivers in this region. One of them is obviously Ganga. Which other river completes the name of the MGC initiative? GC is Ganga Cooperation. Team Sangai, your first attempt.
Mekong.
Is the correct answer. Is very well done. Your college crowd has taken my advice very seriously. Suddenly there was an outburst of cheering coming from that end. Very well done, Team Sangai. And that brings us to the end of the second round as well. Alright. On the scoreboard, it'll just be put up in a couple of seconds. For now, I'll ask you an audience question as well. Okay. Very interestingly, in Pakistan, the nuclear tests, when the nuclear tests were done, they celebrate that day as the National Science Day. All right. In India, we celebrate the nuclear markings as the National Technology Day, because the National Science Day was already taken up with what? Why does India celebrate the National Science Day? We celebrate the National Technology Day to mark our successful nuclear tests, right? So the Pokhran tests. In Pakistan, they celebrate the National Science Day there. In India, why do we celebrate the National Science Day? Yes. And is correct. This is in honor of Sir C.V. Raman and the discovery of the Raman effect. Very well done. What college are you from? All right. Very well done. Great answer. And there is your audience prize. Please collect it. Okay. And do we have the scores? There are the scores on the screen for you. 180 to Team Sangai. 180 to Team Kangla as well. 90 to Team Barak. 150 to Nongin. 150 to Shirui. 90 to Loktak. This is turning out to be an extremely close finals. It might just go down to the wire. Remember, one answer here and there might make a difference of about 50,000 rupees or a lakh, who knows. The biggest difference that it's going to make is a spot in the zonal finals from your state and a shot at the title of being called the RBI 90 Manipur champions. Yeah? Alright, teams. Round number 3. We go on to the business end of the quiz. Quite aptly, we mean business. 6 questions yet again, passing anti-clockwise. So we'll start from Loktak, go to Sangai. Same drill as the first round. 90 points on a direct, 90 points on a pass, no negatives. Right? We've played the first round in a similar fashion, so it shouldn't be a problem. No buzzers and no negatives in this round. Question number 1 to Team Loktak. Here is your question. This is Ronald Wayne, often referred to as the third founder of which technology giant? Interestingly, this tech giant was founded by 2 guys having the same first name. Team Loktak. Your question. This is Ronald Wayne, the third founder, or considered to be the third founder. He opted out and he sold his shares after a couple of days to 2 people having the same first name. Which company?
Apple.
Is the correct answer. 90 points to Team Loktak. It's just one mistake that they made in the first round. They do not falter that easily. Very good. 90 points to Team Loktak. Team Shirui, direct question to you now. This is a game console by Nintendo. The idea of Game & Watch, the console is called Game & Watch. The idea of Game & Watch came to a Nintendo employee, Gunpei Yokoi, while he was observing a fellow traveler. He was on a bullet train and a fellow commuter was just meddling with another handheld device. What handheld device gave Nintendo the inspiration or the idea for a handheld video game console? Yes, Team Shirui. Sir, pass. Alright, Team Nongin.
Joystick.
Not a joystick. This is the one of the first gaming consoles. So joysticks, I think, came in later. Team Barak. Oh, unless you mean the computer joysticks. Yeah, but still. Team Barak.
Can you repeat the question?
The idea for this console and such consoles of having handheld video games came to Gunpei Yokoi when he was traveling on a bullet train. He saw a fellow commuter just playing around and just doing something on a different handheld device. What was that handheld device? It's something that we use very commonly in our day-to-day lives. And remember, this was before the advent of mobile phones being this widespread. So, yeah. Team Barak, enough time given.
But Baser attack was Baser.
Oh, so pager.
A pager.
Pager.
Yes.
Not quite. Team Kangla. Is the correct answer, Team Kangla. Very well done. Team Kangla is getting all the half chances their way. 90 points to them. And whose question was this? I've lost track. Yeah, Team Shurui's question. So, team question 3 to Team Nongin. Here it is. Team Nongin, this is the logo of Hasselblad as it is written there. It was started by Victor Hasselblad. It's a Swedish company that makes cameras and things like that. Most recently popular for their tie-ups with OnePlus and Oppo and things like that. Alright. Hasselblad came into prominence because they were the official cameras to be used at what 1969 happenings, which sort of gave us an insight of different terrains of sort. What out of this world happenings were these that happened in 1969, where Hasselblad were the official cameras for? Team Nongin.
First moon mission.
First moon mission with Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins and them clicking photos of the moon. The audience has already started clapping for a reason. 90 points to them as well. Very well done. This is Hasselblad got its major popularity because they were the official cameras for the moon mission, the first moon mission, the Apollo mission of sorts. Very well done, Nongin. And Team Barak, question number 4 to you. Released annually in every December since 2016, Wrapped is a viral marketing campaign that allows users to view a compilation of their activity throughout the year. Which platform comes out with a yearly Wrapped every year since 2016? Team Barak.
Spotify.
Is the correct answer. Spotify will fetch you 90 points. And a lot of respect from your peers. They are clapping a little louder now. Yeah. Okay. Team Kangla, question number 5. They are in deep meditation mode all of a sudden. Right. They have closed their eyes. They are taking all of it right in. Alright. Team Kangla, what internet-enabled product got its name as a homage to the great library of Alexandria in Egypt, which got destroyed later, which was one of the largest, most significant libraries of its time? Remember, the name comes as a homage to the library of Alexandria. What internet-enabled device is it that you might have seen in a lot of homes across? Team Kangla. The Library of Alexandria gives which internet-enabled device its name? Yes, Team Kangla. Giving me an answer or choosing to pass? E-book. Can't give it to you on e-book. Team Sangai.
Alexa.
Amazon Alexa. Brilliant, Team Sangai. This is 90 points. Alexa comes from the Library of Alexandria as a homage. So firstly it was the Alexa project and then it became Alexa. The Alexa archives were also a part of the internet archives. And question number 6, direct to you. The chance to score a bonus of sorts. Here it is. Lego came up with this unique brick design to let certain children learn what in a playful and engaging way. Look at how the tiles are designed and how the dots are placed in different spots. What were they trying to teach children? At least a certain children. Team Sangai.
Braille.
Lovely, Team Sangai. Back-to-back answers coming from them. 180 points in the last 2 questions. Team Sangai is good. They're going good. Very well done. And with that, scoreboard on your screen. Yeah, couple of great answers coming in from all the teams here. Somebody said a calculator, somebody said, right, Alexa, Lego teaching children how to learn Braille and all of that. These teams are really good. I'm waiting for the scores to come, but before that, let me tell you the next 2 rounds are completely on the buzzer. The teams which buzz get to answer, the teams which miss out sadly don't. Alright. Teams, can you please, all of you together, press the buzzer. Right now, it should say ready to buzz on your console. Yeah? Does it say ready to buzz? Alright. The funda is, only the first team on the buzzer, their lights will light up and they will be able to see a first on their screen. Do you see a first there? Okay. Team 4, you will be seeing what number? Second, because you are second in the sequence. Okay. Team 2, you are third in the sequence. Team 6, you are fourth in the sequence. Yeah. Team 3, you are fifth in the sequence. Team 1, you are sixth in the sequence. Right. For this quiz, we'll just need the first 2. Okay. So if you see a first or a second, that means you might have a shot at the answer, depending on what round it is and whatever it is. Okay. Can you, can one team press any of the teams? Okay. Team 3. Yeah. Team 2, can you press now? Okay. So no light or no sound will come, but your screen will change, which means that the buzz has been registered. Fair enough? So don't go tapping the buzzer, right? It does not do anything else. Once it's buzzed for once, then the input has been registered. Everybody clear with how the buzzer works? Yeah. Okay. And the scoreboard is here. Yes, let me just turn around. Team Sangai on 360, Team Kangla on 270, Team Barak on 180, Team Nongin on 240, Team Shirui on 150, Team Loktak on 180. This is still a matter of 2 questions here and there, and the tables can turn. Alright. For the first round on the buzzer, let's play it by the ear. Here it is, round number 4 on your screen. As you might have guessed, this is an audio-visual round. You will see audio, you'll see videos, you will hear a couple of audios, and then I'll ask you a question accordingly. Fair enough? Alright. 6 questions on the buzzer. 1 buzzer per question. So the team whose light is on, basically, the first team on the buzzer only gets to answer. Plus 90 for a correct answer, minus 90 for an incorrect response. Fair enough? Okay. I will show you the video first and then I will ask you the question. If in case you buzz, you indicate that you know the answer. So I will stop the video there and I'll stop the question also. Okay. If you buzz, I'll stop telling you what the question is all about because you know the answer. Once you buzz, I need the answer in 5 seconds. Alright. Once you buzz, please don't start discussing and some such. Alright. Round number 4, question number 1. Everything on the buzzer now. Here it is. Let's watch the video. Can we have the volume a little high, please? Alright. So this is Devaralan Attam from Ponniyin Selvan 1. It was inspired by this Indonesian trance ritual called Kecak, which in turn gets its name from an all-male chorus percussively chanting Chak, right? So which you heard, so she said Chak, 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 right? And moving their hands and arms all about. What from the Indian culture are the Indonesian performers trying to emulate when they perform Kecak, right? They're trying to emulate a certain group from Indian mythology. Quite appropriately would chant Chak continuously. What group or what army is this that they're trying to emulate through the words Kechak or Chak said continuously? They're trying to emulate a certain type of an army from Indian mythology. What army is this? They're continuously chanting Chak as to emulate something or some kind of an army. What army is this? Nongin taking a risk. Yes, Nongin.
The Chola army.
The Chola army from Indian mythology.
From Tamil Nadu areas.
Minus 90 on that. That's a sad minus 90. Audience is, yes, I see a hand going up. This is the Vanar Sena, right? And the chant is the monkey chant, right? Which is why they say Chak to emulate monkeys and the Vanar Sena. Very well answered from the audience. Yeah. What college are you from? Triple IT Manipur. Is there a team from Triple IT Manipur here? Yes. All right. Okay. Question number 2. Team D gets a negative 90. Question 2. Okay. I'll show you a video of the New Zealand rugby team. Before every match, they have a tradition of performing a certain dance of sorts. Right? Just have a look at the video. Alright, team Sangai.
Maori tribe dance.
Which is called?
Haka.
We'll give that to you on that. Lovely 90 points. She got that just in the nick of time. The Maori tribal dance, Haka, again in popular consciousness because a young New Zealand parliament, right, a member of parliament performed Haka in, right, New Zealand, right, as a mark of protest and things like that. 90 points. A very risky 90 points to Sangai, but a very well done, very well answered 90 points. Okay. Team Sangai, you got 90. Question number 3. On your screen, this is a clip from The Big Bang Theory. This is Leonard explaining what situation Sheldon is in true manner of The Big Bang Theory. Listen to what Leonard is saying and arrive at an answer. Here it is.
All right, well, let me see if I can explain your situation using physics. What would you be if you were attached to another object by an inclined plane wrapped helically around an axis?
Alright, so Leonard says, what would you be if you were wrapped around an inclined plane helically around an axis? What is he trying to tell Sheldon as to the predicament of his situation. What does that make Sheldon if he's wrapped helically around an inclined plane in a particular axis? Sheldon replies with the name of a simple machine, also used to denote that you are in a tricky situation. What simple machine does he reply with? Something that is wrapped helically around an inclined plane. What would you be if you were in an unfavorable condition? How would you refer to it using a simple machine in as many words? All right, we'll pass the question to the audience. The lady in the spectacles there. You'd be screwed. That is absolutely correct. So the simple machine in reference is the screw. Right. Look at or listen to the video once again.
All right, well, let me see if I can explain your situation using physics. What would you be if you were attached to another object by an inclined plane wrapped helically around an axis?
Leonard describes a screw to Sheldon, and Sheldon says, screwed. That gets that lady an audience prize. Have you received your audience prize, ma'am? Yeah. All right, very good. What college are you from? All right, fair enough. Question number 4. Here it is. Okay. This is a clipping of a movie, Duck and Cover. It was in the early 1950s. It's an informative movie, right? And it's a public service announcement of sorts, where the government of America was trying to tell the civilians, this is what you should do, which is basically duck and cover in what situation. Here is the video.
Dum dum, beetle dum dum, beetle dum dum, beetle dum dum. There was a turtle by the name of Bert, and Bert the turtle was very alert. When danger threatened him, he never got hurt. He knew just what to do. He ducked and cover, ducked and cover.
He did what we all must learn to do. You
and you and...
All right, Team Sangai.
Bombing.
What kind of bombing? We'll give you one more shot. Bombing part is, you're in the vicinity.
Atomic.
Is the correct answer. Team Sangai moving from strength to strength, now extending their lead over everybody else. In case of an atomic bombing or an atomic attack, you are supposed to duck and cover, which is what the government of America wanted to inform or educate their citizens on, because it was a perilous time, it was a difficult time in the 1950s and before that as well. So this was duck and cover. You should duck and cover in case of a nuclear attack. Question number 5. Here it is on your screen.
A group of conspirators calling themselves the Liberators began to secretly discuss plans for assassination. Leading them were the Senator Gaius Cassius Longinus and his friend and brother-in-law, Brutus.
Okay. Yes, before I even ask the question, go ahead, Team Loktak.
The assassination of Julius Caesar.
Lovely. This is the assassination of Julius Caesar, with Brutus being a part of that video and that conspiracy as well. Lovely points to Loktak. And let's go to the last question of this round. It's an audio. Question number 6. I need you to identify whom is this song based on, one of the heroes of India and Indian history. Here it is. Alright, which Indian... Okay, team 6. They are a fan of taking risky.
Shivaji Maharaj.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj will fetch you 90 more points in this round. Lovely, Team Sangai. Very well done. How did you get that? Go ahead. You've heard of this song? Yes, it's a very popular song. There is a song called Shurveer 3 by Rapariya Balam, and it's the entire Shurveer series is in the honor of Indian heroes. So the first one is in Maharana Pratap. I think the second one is Rana Sangha. Third is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Fourth is Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj, and so on and so on. Right? It just highlights the dedication and the lives of Indian heroes. And those Indian heroes have contributed to the country. They have also contributed to Team Sangai's score line. They are 90 points richer, and let's see where they stand after this round on the scoreboard. Before the last round begins, do you want to do a very quick round of audience questions? Yeah? Alright. Coming up in the first week of December, Nagaland government does this festival since the year 2000. Yeah, go ahead. I saw your hands go up first. This is the Hornbill Festival, right? We're just wanting to, can we have an audience prize for them? Very well done. Yeah, Team A has done a lot of scoring in this round. We're going to need 10 more seconds. Yeah. All right, I'll ask you one more question. Connect Mozilla Firefox, Master Shifu from the Kung Fu Panda series, and the state of Sikkim. Okay, I'll still give somebody a shot. I did hear the answer, but it's only fair that I see a lot of familiar faces. All of you have a mug already, right? Greed is not a very good thing. Yes, at the back. The guy, yes, is the correct answer. This is the red panda. Master Shifu, red panda. Mozilla Firefox. The Firefox in that is a red panda. And Sikkim's state animal is the red panda as well. Very well done. And do we have the scores? Yes, we have the scores here. There they are. 630 Team Sangai. That has been a great climb. Team Kangla, you're on 270. Team Barak on 180. Team Nongin on 150. Team Shiro on 150 as well. And Team Loktak on 270. One more round to go. 6 questions. A lot of points to be scored. Right, around 540 if my math is correct. On the last round, it's a round dedicated to the Reserve Bank of India, its culture, its heritage, its functions and its history. Let's mint them at 90. Six questions celebrating the 90 years of RBI. All the questions from the domain of the Reserve Bank of India. 2 buzzers per question, meaning if the first team gives me a wrong answer, there is a second buzzer open, which we will determine based on the buzzing sequence that we see on our respective screens. Okay? Plus 90 for a correct answer, minus 90 for an incorrect response. It is still anybody's game. They're just 3 questions away. There are 6 questions in this round. Alright? Question number 1, here it is. During the tenure of which RBI governor was the 1000 rupee note reintroduced as a part of the Mahatma Gandhi series? Is it A. Bimal Jalan, B. Y.V. Reddy, C. Rangarajan, and D. Subbarao? This was around the millennium year. During the tenure of which RBI governor was the 1000 rupee note reintroduced as a part of the Mahatma Gandhi series? The current series is the Mahatma Gandhi new series, the series before that. Options Bimal Jalan, YV Reddy, C. Rangarajan, D. Subbarao. If nobody's going for it, the question goes to the audience. Team 4 playing
Rangarajan. The option number D, Rangarajan.
Option D is Sri D. Subbarao. Option C is C. Rangarajan.
C. Rangarajan.
You're saying C. Rangarajan. That's another minus 90 to you, Team Nongin. And is there a second buzz? There is no second buzz. I think we'll pass it to the audience. Somebody else? Yes, the guy in the spectacles there. Yes. It is correct. This is Sri Bimal Jalan. Very well answered, and he'll win himself an audience prize. Question number 2. A sense of safety slowly seeping into Team Sangai as every question goes on. Right, they're just releasing sighs of relief. Teams, if you need to buzz, this would be a good time as any. Question number 2. DICGC is a specialized division of the Reserve Bank of India, which is under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Finance. Its full name is the Deposit Blank and Credit Guarantee Corporation, DICGC. Yes, Team Loktak, what financial instrument does the I stand for?
Insurance.
90 points to them. This is indeed insurance. And there is some insurance to your scoreboard with that answer. What was your score before this question? 360. You're on 450. Was it 360? Now it is 360. Yeah. So you're on 200 yeah. And now you're on 360. Okay. You are on a 630. All right. Team Loktak, 4 questions left. Question number 3. Which offering by the NCPI is an electronic toll collection system in India operated by the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI? Yes, Team Sangai, go ahead very quickly.
Hashtag.
Fastag. Fast answer. Correct answer. 90 points. Lovely, very well done, and they're just sealing their fate one question at a time. 700 points is where they are. Alright. Question number 4 on your screen. The National Payments Corporation of India, in association with the payment ecosystem players, have co-created an industry campaign, Blank Chalega, to promote which mode of payment as easy, safe and instant. I'm looking for a 3-worded answer. You can give me an acronym as well. It says Blank Chalega. Yes, Team Shiroi, go ahead very quickly.
UPI.
UPI Chalega. Ye answer bhi chalega. 90 points on that. Very well done. 4 questions down, 2 more to go. Team Sangai, do you have any buzzing left to do? Yeah, they're just they're very carefully calculating scores. I think their work here is done. All right. So they're going to just relax and let everybody else make their mistakes. Let's have a very quick run of scores. You are on 700 points. Team Kangla, 270. Team Barak, 180. Team Nongin, 90. Okay. Team Shirui, 240, and Team Loktak 360. 360, 240, 180, 270. Okay. 180 points still at stake. The battle for the second spot is still on. Question number 5. Here it is. Published in 2024, this current affairs technically, which RBI governor's autobiography is titled Just a Mercenary, Notes from My Life and Career? Is it A. Sri Bimal Jalan, B. Sri Y.V. Reddy, C. Sri Rangarajan, and D. D. Subbarao? Team A is not touching their buzzers. They have colluded and they said nothing doing. no buzzing anymore. Do not want to take any unnecessary risks. If they lose 180 and the team on 360 gains 180, there is a slim chance of them winning. If nobody answers it in the next 5 seconds, we'll pass it to the audience. There is somebody very eager to give me that answer. Yes, sir, in the audience. It is absolutely correct. It is Sri Duvuri Subbarao. He wrote his autobiography in 2024, titled Just a Mercenary, Notes from My Life and Career. And I'm hoping to read it in the coming months. With that, one more question to go. 360 to Loktak, 270, 240 to Shiroi, team Nongin on 90, team Balak on 180, team Kangla on 270. One question to go. Here it is. Which governor of the Reserve Bank of India served as a director of the London School of Economics, making him the first person of Indian origin to head a higher education institute in the United Kingdom? He also served as the chairperson of the Board of Governors from 1996 to 2001 at Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad. Is it A. I.G. Patel, B. Lakshmikant Jha, C. Raghuram Rajan, or D. N.C. Gupta? Alright, somebody is going for it. Team 3, can you put the buzzer on the stack, please? Yeah, okay. Yes, Team Barak, go ahead. You're saying Raghuram Rajan. He was an alumnus of the IIM Ahmedabad. Minus 90 to you on that. And we have a second attempt if anybody is going for it. Team Kangla not taking a chance. Alright, I think they're happy where they are. And yes, ma'am. I.G. Patel is absolutely correct. That is the last audience prize for today. And can we have a bigger round of applause for her? Yeah. Alright. With that, in just a couple of seconds, we'll have the final scores. Before that, a huge thank you firstly to the Reserve Bank of India for this lovely platform where the youth of India can showcase their skills and treat it as a celebration of knowledge. So huge thank you to the Reserve Bank of India. A huge thank you to all the students, all the teachers who have put in so much of hard work in raising the level of this quiz and making it a grand success. Can we hear it for ourselves, please? Yeah. And to the 6 teams, a huge thank you to the organizing committee and the organizing team and all the vendors, the AV team and Dharmaraji for assisting me with the quiz. And with that, this is me almost about to sign off, but not without the final scores. Dharmaraji, can we have the final scores on the screen? There it is. Finishing in sixth spot is Team Nongin with 60 points. They were in the contention of the quiz and they played with their hearts on their sleeves. They went for buzzers even if they gave them negatives, and that is how you should play a quiz. You either win or you learn, but today has been a learning experience. You'll take this home and you'll sit on it and you'll come out better quizzers. It's like the journey of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly, this being your cocoon. Team Nongin, hard luck, but can we hear it for them once? Very, very well done, and I'm really impressed with the quality of answers that you gave and how you played the quiz. Finishing 5th is a team from Team Balak on 90 points. They also fought really well and were consumed by negatives here and there, but can we hear it for them as well? Alright. Finishing 4th is the team Shirui, DCA, right, the College of Arts. Is it DCMA, DCA, what is it?
DMCA.
DMCA, alright. DMCA with 240 points, just 30 points shy of a podium place. Team Shirui, DMCA. But people going away with big money On 270 is a team that has finished second runners up. They got their good answers in and they decided this is going to be enough to take away a lakh home, and they did not want to take any risks. They are their safe investors rather. Team Kangla, team from Shija Academy, very well done. You are the second runners up for today. Finishing runners up is Lilong Harobi College, that's how you pronounce it, yes. With 360, they got positives, they got negatives, but most importantly, they got their answers in when they needed them. Right, their buzzes were very strategically placed right when they could tip the scales of the quiz, and that they did. Finishing runners up today is team 6, team Loktak. And finally, with twice the score of the team in runners up, team from table 1, team Sangai, College of Agriculture, on 720 points, take away firstly a cash of 2 lakh rupees, the title of the Manipur champions of the RBI90 quiz. But what you take away from here, and it is going to be the biggest takeaway, an opportunity to represent your state in the zonals, in the nationals. Fingers crossed. That is the College of Agriculture for you. With that, that brings me to the end of the Manipur State Finals for the RBI90 quiz. This is me, Bhushan Patel. I've had huge fun hosting this quiz. I hope you had equal fun. And that's about it. Thank you so much. Have a good night. And I'll hand over the proceedings to our brilliant Masters of Ceremony to take it forward from here. Sir. Can we switch, please?
Thank you so much to all the teams. That was indeed a splendid performance by Team Sangai, I believe. And I hope the audience agrees with me. So, I request all the teams to kindly take your seats for some time. And we'll have the prize distribution a bit later. So as the teams descend the stairs, please give a big round of applause for all the teams. They gave it their all. And I believe you should give it your all also right now. Moving on, I would like to request my colleagues to kindly help in arranging the stage, as we will have a cultural program. We'll have a Pung Cholom performance very shortly. So please, stay tuned.
We'll get all of this out.
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Can we have a couple of people in the Ramlat Yamani, please? Yeah, can we switch the visual on the screen? ये सारी चीजें ना पीछे लेनी है, तो चार्जर वार्जर भी ले लीजिए, लैपटॉप में लिखिएगा.
नहीं नहीं इधर ही लकड़ी के
Slight change of plans. We will be having the prize distribution first before the cultural event. So, are you guys excited? We sure are. We are giving away a huge sum of money, right? So, we'll start with the sixth prize, and to hand over the prize, I would like to invite on the stage Srimati N. Surbala Devi, who is the Principal, College of Nursing. Madam, please join on the stage. And the sixth prize winners for today are from Manipur University, Sri Muhammad Sahid and Muhammad Nawaz. Please come on the stage. Okay. We would also be joined by Sri N. Sridhar and Sri C.M. Samuel from RBI90Quiz. Okay. Can we have the prizes first for them? And we are giving away a very beautiful mobile stand. It also has a night lamp inside, which glows very nice in the night time. So congratulations, guys. Thank you, madam. Before giving away the fifth prize, we would like to felicitate our dynamic quiz master. So, Patel sir, please join us on the stage so that we can felicitate you, sir. And I would like to request Sri Sridhar sir to kindly do the honors. Thank you, sir. Moving on, I would like to invite on the stage Sri T. Ranjit, who is the Principal, DM College of Arts, to give away the fifth prize. And the winners for the fifth prize for today's quiz event is from the college Triple IT. And the members are Amresh Kumar and Anup Maurya. The participants from Triple IT. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite on the stage Sri Partha Mandal, who is a GM and OIC NABARD Imphal. Please, sir, please join on the stage. So, the fourth prize winners for today's quiz is from DM College of Arts, and they were represented by Presi Soibam and Tafsir Ahmed. Thank you so much, sir. Now moving on to the top three winners. We'll start off with the third prize winner, and this will be distributed by none other than our GM and OIC of RBI Infal, along with our Sri Samuel sir, who is the DGM of RBI Infal. And we are giving away both banks and a winner's trophy to them, along with 1 lakh rupees. A big round of applause for them. They deserve that, right? And the third prize winners for today is from CISA Academy of Health Sciences, and they are represented by Anubam Sneha Devi and Manika Thangzam. I was hoping to get the 1 lakh rupees. They'll be more excited to run to the stage. Thank you so much. Now, to distribute the second prize, I would like to welcome on the stage Sri Chintang Khomba Meitei, who is the Deputy Director, Institutional Finance. And the second prize winners for today's event is from Lilong Hauribi College, and they were represented by Mohammad Shakil Rezvi and Mohammad Shahid. They will be getting 1.5 lakhs rupees along with both speaker and a winner's trophy. Thank you so much, sir. And to give away the first prize for today's event, I would like to welcome on the stage Madam Anna Arambam who is the Director, Institutions of Finance. So, as you all know, they won by a huge margin today, and I would like to wish them all the best for the zonal rounds. We have high hopes from them. The team representing College of Agriculture, Central Agriculture University, Sri Ronak Sharma and Ishita Saxena. They will be getting an amount of rupees 2 lakhs along with both airdrops and the winner's trophy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anna Madam. Next. Thank you so much, Simon sir. Thank you so much, Rita sir. Next, we have a Pung Cholom. And also just general information for everybody. The zonal round of the quiz for Eastern Zone will be held on November 29th. It will be held in Guwahati. So moving on, we have a Pung Cholom presentation by the artists from SS Kala Kendra. Wow, that was indeed a marvelous performance, right? So, from the top 6 teams that we had on the stage, we from the RBI Infal and I guess everybody present here would like to know your experiences about this quiz. So, anybody who wants to volunteer and come on the stage and share his or her experience from the top 6 teams? Anybody, come on. Anybody who wants to volunteer? Nobody? What about the rest of the crowd? Anybody? So I guess all right then, moving on. Do we have? Yeah, please come on the stage. A big round of applause for him. It kind of takes a big, immense courage to just be here on the stage, right? Please come.
Hello. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. And I am Nur Safi from Thawal College, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. I just want to say a few words. First of all, I would like to thank RBI so much for the opportunity and given to us to stay in Hotel Classic. That was really classic. And from my student, I have come with 2 of my students. And during our stay in the Classic Hotel, the experience that they have got and the exposure that they have been given, I think more such exposures will obviously change their personality. And even in future, if RBI is offering much more, we'll be much more happier. And within these 2-3 days, while 2 of my students, when they invited me to go along with them, I was so excited. But after coming here, I have got to know that the changes that they have imbibed during their stay in Classic, the way how they speak, the way how they meet people, and the way how they participate here, though winning or losing is part of the game. And that was such a marvelous thing, and it was such a very, very attractive idea and very good idea that RBI has come up. And thank you so much on behalf of my students and on behalf of everyone. I would like to thank RBI so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for sharing your experiences. Now moving on, we move to the final item of today's itinerary. I would like to invite on the stage Sri Mayur Agrawal, who is the manager in RBI Infal, to give the vote of thanks.
Honorable dignitaries, respected guests, esteemed colleagues, and dear participants. As we draw to the close of this remarkable quiz competition, I, Mayur Agrawal, Nodal Officer for RBI90Quiz, stand before you with immense gratitude to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of RBI Infal. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to the Central Office for their vision and conceptualization of this engaging quiz competition. Your foresight in promoting knowledge and enthusiasm among undergraduate students has truly inspired us all. To our distinguished dignitaries, thank you for gracing this event with your valuable time and esteemed presence. Your support and encouragement are what make initiatives like this successful and meaningful. A special mention to our invitees, DDMs, LDMs, Senior Area Manager of CRISIL, for your continued collaboration and contribution for today's success. To the participating teams, your exceptional participation, excitement, and display of knowledge have been the highlight of this event. Your enthusiasm and dedication have set a benchmark for future competitions. We are also deeply grateful to the accompanying teachers who have acted as facilitators, guiding and encouraging the students to excel and participate wholeheartedly. A big thank you to the audience from the 4 colleges who attended and contributed by actively participating in the audience questions. Your engagement added an extra layer of vibrancy to the event. We extend our appreciation to our media partners, the Sangaya Express, the People's Chronicles, Imphal Free Press, Impact TV, ISTV, and Pokna Firm for providing comprehensive coverage and helping us reach a wider audience. Special thanks to our quiz master and his technical assistant for the smooth and efficient conduction of the quiz. Your expertise ensured the event was conducted seamlessly. We are grateful to our venue partner, MSFDS, for providing a conducive environment for the event, and to our logistics partner, Arun Enterprises and Tricolor, for the last mile support that made this event logistically sound. To the General Manager OIC and Deputy General Manager of RBI Imphal, your valuable guidance and constant support have been the cornerstone of this successful endeavor. Your leadership continues to inspire us. A sincere thank to the RBI Imphal staff for being so proactive, dedicated, and persistent. Your hard work and commitment have been instrumental in bringing this event to life. Lastly, thank you all once again for making this event a grand success. We look forward to many more such opportunities to learn, grow, and celebrate together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So that is the end of today's program, and we would be sadly going back to our respective homes or hotel. So I would like to request all the audience members who came from the 4 different colleges to kindly disperse first. Your lunch packets have already been arranged inside the buses, so you can please collect it from there. And for the participants and their accompanying teachers, we have arranged your lunch in Classic Grande, so please kindly join us over there. And finally, and the buses have already been arranged for the participants and their accompanying teachers also. But if you have brought your private vehicles, you're more than welcome to use that. So thank you once again, everybody, for making this event a grand success and giving us this opportunity to serve you. Thank you.